everybody, and I'm a little stalker. No. Please do not do this to me. I'm a little stalker, and this is probably the funnest thing I've ever had. The stalker, you can turn invisible quickly. See that? I mean, literally, I would usually be using the other thing. Well, wait, so I'm having to go with this guy. I am friendly. This is going to be funny. Now, if somebody comes up here, not including boosters, oh my gosh, am I on the top 10? Yes, I am on the top 10. You see right over here, I am on the top 10. Hello, I'm nice. Hello, I'm nice. No, oh crap, not this guy. Hello, I'm nice. Can you kill me?
It has to be a no from me because I think that it's best to keep you two apart. But you are the most adorable lady that's been in here today. Thank you so much. Thank you.
OMG, what did you do that for? No. I do not want to die. I am not going to die. Bye-bye. Diddy Clip is going to try to kill me, but I don't think he will. Oh no, not this guy. Hello? That was one easy kill. Yes, I am trying to team with you. No, please just do not do this to me. What? Hello, I'm nice. No, hello there, I'm nice. I do not want you to die. I will be right here. I'm just going to be coming with you guys because you guys are really nice friends. I like having friends in this game. Oh, hello, I'm nice. I'm right here. Pizza. No, I did not want you to die. Diddy Clip.
Oh, that's the girl you like, isn't it?
No.
Did you see her? The girl you like? The play? Wasn't that the funny girl?
Whoa.
Oh no, please help me. I'm about to die. Thank you. Thank you so much, Diddy Clip.
What did they talk about?
Joseph listening to the angel and taking his wife with him and listening to the angel.
No, Lana. Lana is Lana, even a name that I know of.
And it was funny because when they went to Egypt, they're like,
Mommy, can you please stop talking? I am trying to record. No, hello, I'm nice. Do not do this. No, hello, I'm nice. No, hello, I'm nice. Stop it. You will die. I like doing this. This is just really fun.
Mommy!
By the way, guys, this might be a 15-minute long, really fun video. Wahahaha, I will get this guy. Ghost, you're gonna die. I'm gonna try killing Ghost. Except that is number 1 on leaderboard. Once I killed a booster as the stalker, the booster had very low health. It was running away from somebody. Also, guys, the stalker is also extremely good. Not for only ram, oh crap. Look at this guy. Hello, I'm nice. I do not want to kill you. Oh no, entity clip. I am right here. I'm right here, team. Team, I am right here. This takes a long time. Where are we going, team? I have a good idea, guys. So let's go to the middle. I will try to protect you guys. Oh, I'm so sorry. I started to lag. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry. She said I was lagging. That's Kyan. They're just like, what in the world is that? No, team, you're not supposed to go over that. Spin for a pet. Hi, Bill. Hello there. Dude, spin for pet's gonna. Never mind you. No, team, do not kill spin for pet. Well, I'm nice. I am right here. I'm sorry about that. Hello, I'm nice. By the way, hello, I'm nice. I hope that you know that I am trying to YouTube. Hello, I'm nice. Oh no. Oh gosh. No. Dude, bro, you're going to die possibly. Oh god. Hello there. I just want to try getting to you a little bit.
So that's two things I need to do this now. Go watch my Irrational Fears Part 1 video and see Stellar 1.
No, I do not want to die right now. Please help me. Help me. See, Best Cayenne, I love... Oh no, Best Cayenne. No, you're not supposed to kill Best Cayenne. Best Cayenne has died. I feel so sad right now that Best Cayenne... No, do not kill him. Oh, by the way, guys, it's been such a long time since I've been on the leaderboard. Okay, hello, I'm nice. I am nice, too. I'm just going to try trolling some people like this.
He's 19-year-old amateur.
No, do not do this to me.
2007, when we were dressed. Simon didn't like that.
Oh my gosh, look at my nose color. Hello, I'm nice. Thank you. Oh my god, that is weird. Why are they always doing that weird kissy stuff? OMG, there it might be a little bit of a sprayer problem. No, do not do this to me. Self-tea. Spin for a pet. I am right here. Guys, we're having a top 10 routine. Hi, Love. Hello there, Love. This might actually be a 15-minute video of me being a stalker. No ghost, no ghost, you cannot do this. No ghost, please stop it. Ghost, please stop it. No ghost. No ghost. No ghost. If you try doing that. No ghost, you killed my friend. No. This will not happen to me. Oh crap, ghost, please stop it. No! Ghost, stop it. No, ghost, please stop. Stop. I am so scared. I'm just going to turn invisible. OMG, I am 3rd place on the leaderboard. Hello there. I'm 3rd place on the lead. Oh crap. Not Pro God Mega. You are not a mega. Hey, Festive. Festive, what are you doing? Why did you say that, mister? Why is your name that thing? No, I am here. No, guys. F-word, everybody, can you please go away? I do not want my little viewers that might be kids watching this, and this not being on kids' YouTube because of your stupid little name, Mr. F-word, everybody. I will try not to let F-word, everybody annoy my little YouTuber friends. No. Do not kill Festive. No, stop shooting at Festive. Oh crap, not this again. Oh no, I am so scared right now. What if I... No, can you... No. Thank you for saving my life. I might have killed 2 of your friends. I feel like this leads nowhere. Look at this dude named Crack. He just got owned by it too. I'm just going to be following people around that love me. Oh crap, not again. Well, I'm not going to die this time. No, I have died. I'm sorry, everybody, but I will leave off the video right over here. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this video of me possibly dying once or twice. 1 second, everybody. I want everybody to have good extra fun. No. But this will just be a little bit of fun that I wanted to do. Have everybody in the world start killing me. Even Pentagon. I really just do not care what kills me. Just gonna let everything kill me for the last few minutes. If you guys are wondering why I'm... Oh crap, I think I just crashed. I have not just crashed. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Ooh, are those trap spikes? Yeah, those are definitely trap spikes. Now I have a good idea, guys. If you guys all subscribe, I will try giving everybody a free... Just kidding, no free cookies. I'm not the cookie guy. Hey guys, want a free cookie? Oh crap. I've just put myself inside a little bit of a little maze. No, not Bob the Ugly Builder. Bob the Builder has killed everybody. Are you freaking kidding me, Alpha? The Pentagon. Bye guys. Please subscribe if you're new here, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Also, please like this video.